Step 1. Installing the mount on the steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to its lowest position and pull it outward to create enough space for installation. Position the mount on the slopped part of the steering wheel. Do not install it too high, as it may interfere with the screen when the steering wheel turns. Align the mount properly in all directions and firmly press it into place. Step 2. Hiding the cables. Insert the excess cable into the gap and use a prying tool to tuck it in. Create a small opening by slightly lifting the trim panel with the prying tool. Push the cable into the gap along its path, ensuring it is fully concealed. Leave some extra cable near the steering wheel to allow flexibility for future adjustments or upgrades. Pull the cable slightly backward to avoid tension that could lead to breakage when adjusting the mount or steering wheel. Route the cable through the wireless charging panel area and continue tucking it inside. Ensure only a minimal portion of the cable is visible to maintain a clean look. Step 3. Routing the cable to the rear Type-C port. Guide the cable along the gap of the center console trim until it reaches the rear Type-C port. Insert the Type-C connector into the rear port. Use a prying tool to carefully open the trim gap and release the clips. Tuck the cable inside the open trim area and ensure it is neatly hidden. Continue routing the cable forward, making sure it follows the existing trim gaps. For tighter areas, gently push the cable in while keeping the trim slightly open. Once the entire cable is hidden, press the trim back into place and secure the clips. Continue routing the rear cable by using a prying tool to open the trim gap, releasing a clip, tucking the cable inside, and securing it along the corner while guiding it downward. Pull the cable out from the seam between the two trim panels, insert it into the rear Type-C port, and the installation is complete.